What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin. We're back in my bathroom one more again. I don't know if you know this, but it's already been 3 months since my last link check. So I actually passed my 3 years and 6 month mark of Locs a few days ago. So I figured, what a better time than the present to just, see how long my Locs have gotten. If you want to watch last week's video before we get into that, click up there, okay? And let's see how long the Locs are. Let's measure this, all right? Okay, so same game, y'all know the rules. Front, side, back side. Or right, left, back, left, right, left, whatever. I think we're gonna just use this front one. I always like using the front one because it just makes sense. Makes sense to me in my mind. So let's see. 12 inches over here. The front side, we got 12 inches. Hold on, I need something to round this down because I did not think. All right, let's do the right side. This one looks like a good lock. This one looks like he's okay. 11 and a half. I kind of want to take the 3/4. We're gonna put them 3/4 in there. We're gonna put them 3/4. I feel like every little inch counts, even if it's only 1/4 of an inch. Okay, we're gonna put that in there. All right, left side. Where's the root? Where's the root? We're gonna make this accurate. Okay, yeah. So 12 inches on this guy. Now y'all know for the back right, as I'm writing down this stuff off camera. Y'all know for the back right, I have to use the same one, right? This one, my old reliable, because he is the longest lock that I have out of all my hair. This guy right here, he is just the MVP. Okay, so 14 and a half. Nope, not 14 and a half, 15 inches, 15, oh my goodness, 15 freaking inches. He is daring to be different, and I appreciate it. All right, and then we'll do one from the back left side. Which one should we do for the back left? This one looks like he's trying to do something. I don't think I've ever measured this one before either. It feels new. Okay, first of all, we're gonna find the root. This one is 12 and a half. There you go. Wait, 12 and a half. So we got our measurements. Let me do some math real quick, okay? Actually, I'm gonna do this on camera. We're gonna see how quick I can do this, all right? And I just feel like I just set myself up to look really stupid. Hold on, we're gonna try this anyway. All right, go. Okay. So we're gonna round up that 11 and 3/4 to 12. Plus 15 gets us 63. Divide that by the 5 measurements. We're gonna get this, y'all. Just hold on. 2, 10, 3. 12.6 inches on average is my length, which I mean is pretty significant considering how long my hair was. Last time my hair was, hold on, let me go figure out the numbers. I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so I went and checked. So my last video, my average length of my locks was 12 inches and this was 12.6 inches. So that is about a little bit more than a half inch of growth from last time. But the time before that, I had an average growth of 0.9 inches. Okay, there are 2 things that could have affected that. One is like diet and exercise, because obviously what you eat affects your hair growth. But then the other thing is that the locks that I chose last time for my length check, unless I'm specifically using the same exact locks for each measurement each time, that will give me the most accurate measurement of my length and my hair growth in between checks. The only one that I know for certain is this one, and I don't even know about the front two. It's like one of those 3 I use, but I know this one is definitely the longest. Can be at 15 inches long now. Good for you, man. Good for you. High five. So now we're rocking 12.6 inch length. Hopefully by summer we'll get somewhere like 13 and a half inches, maybe 14. I don't know. That was cool. I just like tracking my progress to see how long my hair is getting, because sometimes people ask me and it's good for me just to know, just because people ask. But I like knowing because, it's all about the lock journey. It's all about the process. I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. If you did not, I don't know, watch something else. There's other videos on my channel you can watch. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below in the comment section. And obviously, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for continuing to watch this channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Welcome. Hit the subscribe button, okay? There's lots of content coming in the new year, okay? I already have about 5 or 6 videos planned. So keep on watching, hit the bell button next to the subscribe icon anyway, and that will give you notifications of when I upload, okay? So do that. Without further ado, until next link check, y'all. I will see you when I see you, all right? Thank you for watching today's video. If you want to watch last week's video, click right over there. There's a playlist over there with more content from my channel. And don't forget to click on the subscribe icon right below me, right there, okay? Click on it and I will see you next week. Peace.